Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take a look at a single family home in a community called Villas de Campo right here in Homestead, Florida. This house is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home. If you are interested in this home, I will have a link in the description for you so you can take a look at it in more detail. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go ahead and take a look. This home was recently renovated. It's currently located in a community called Villa del Campo. Walking into the main entrance, we have a foyer leading upstairs to the left and hardwood floors throughout the first floor. One thing I like is the two beams that separate the living room from the dining area and kitchen. The kitchen is fully updated with stainless steel appliances with a modern contemporary feel to it. I do like the blue appliances because they give a touch of brightness to the space, and I love a little blend of color in an already neutral space. Moving into what can be a family room, once again hardwood floors all around. Now this home has 5 bedrooms, 3 baths with 2-car garage. It's around 2,500 square feet of space, so it's a pretty good size home. Upstairs, first stop is the primary suite, which comes with a walk-in closet, a tub, double vanity, and a separate shower. Not sure how I feel about the floral design around the tub, but let me know what you guys think about this home in the comments. Upstairs also has 3 other bedrooms and the last room on the main floor. If you like this home, hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. As mentioned before, I will leave a link in the description for more info on the property. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.